I say bananas, you say peppers. And please ignore my sad lack of sassy bun today. You guys, we are right in the middle of closet cleaning, closet organizing. It was my mission, my goal. I couldn't decide if I wanted to say goal or mission there, so it came out like mission. I wanted to have everything like reorganized and moved around in our closet by the end of February, but February is like, I always forget that we're like missing 10 days out of this month, so I don't think that I'm going to get that done in February. But I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep organizing, and I'm gonna keep looking messy while oh, hello Kermit, look at that. Hi, Sippy Sippy, and we're getting started with an exciting video today. I somehow think all of my videos are exciting, and yet it's just me sitting here in this room. Hi. Today, we're gonna be doing a KidRobot unboxing, and we're gonna be doing an Andy Warhol KidRobot unboxing. It's gonna be exciting. We've got cans, we've got tins, and we've got boxes. But really quick, I just have to show you guys this. I have to show, this was like going viral on TikTok, and I'm about to DIY it a little bit, but I just wanted to know if you guys have seen this yet or not. It's a turntable car fragrance. You clip it onto your air vent and it spins. And it comes with these records, which honestly, they sell this on like AliExpress and Wish and stuff. I did get it on Amazon because it was like the same price and I got free shipping, and I was like, why wait like 4 months when I can just get it on Amazon Prime tomorrow? It does come with these little records, and I have bought Mustache Party. Well, let's see what that smells like. I was trying to say, I don't think that this is actually really gonna have any scent to it because I have bought other air fresheners from AliExpress, and normally like the air fresheners have no scent. Okay, Mustache Party is very scented. Oddly enough, a little bit like Lysol, which you think I wouldn't be frowning about that. Look at that, Mustache Party. So you just clip it into there, and then, oh, let's see if I can do this. Look at that, I'm my own air conditioning. I saw this go viral on TikTok, and somebody had ordered like custom discs on Etsy, but it looks like they're just printing out the albums and like sticking it onto the records. So that's why I brought it upstairs to this room where I have a printer, and I'm gonna like make my own because I have matte paper. And the ones on Etsy are really cute, but it was only like 3 custom discs for like $16, which I don't know. That seemed a little bit expensive for an air freshener. So anyway, why did I think that that fit into this video? I don't know. But today we have Andy Warhol. So KidRobot reached out to me. They said that they were doing a special Andy Warhol celebration in February, and I can't remember why now. I wonder if it's Andy Warhol's birthday or like something special to do with the Andy Warhol Foundation. I wish I remembered, but I don't. But they offered to send over a selection of their Andy Warhol figures. Now, a couple of these I think we have opened, but some of them we definitely haven't. I have 3 of each. So basically we are opening a lot of boxes today. I think we have 12 in total. It seems like I remember opening these, but also, you know, a lot of times KidRobot does like series 1 and series 2. So maybe just because we've opened these magical Brillo tins before, it might have not been this series. So I think some of the items we get in here are gonna be like plush keychains, and some of them are gonna be like figures. Now I do remember the bananas. So you guys, I don't know, but either way, we have them. I thought it would be fun. What is in here? Is it? Also, I don't think I got any of like the super duper rares. So even if we did get some repeats, maybe we can still get, ooh, this is a very cool shade of blue, but maybe we can get some of the ones that were like super ultra rare that maybe we didn't see, or like I keep attempting to say before I keep cutting myself off. I don't remember how long ago we opened these, so maybe if you guys like didn't watch that video. I don't know. Chaotic energy. That's what we've got today. So inside these things is just the KidRobot foil bags. Sometimes they give us the charts with the options and sometimes they don't, but I'm assuming since they're just printed here on the tins that they're not gonna give us. Is this another banana? Could that? I just opened it and nothing happened. Give me a banana. Is it? You guys, we have another blue banana. Is the last one gonna be a blue banana? I honestly, I forgot. Oh my God. Okay, so I think that these are definitely the ones we opened before because I forgot there's skulls in here. Skulls. Okay, is it a banana? Is it? What is it? It's, oh, we got a skull. Oh my gosh. I don't remember if Dogman and I have the yellow one. But I know we have one of the bananas, I think the yellow banana, and one skull on a bookshelf. There is no yellow banana. That's what I'm saying. Were these, what memories am I having, you guys, right now? Okay, so we have 2 bananas and 1 skull, and that sounds like an interesting theme for a party. Would anybody have a party? My birthday party, the theme is 2 bananas, 1 skull. All right, up next, we are gonna open these cute ones, which I think that this is a new series of a collection that we have opened before called The Many Faces of Andy Warhol. So I think that this series is based on a lot of the self-portraits that Andy Warhol did. And I'm so glad that KidRobot does so much Andy Warhol stuff because Andy Warhol is my favorite artist. Oh my gosh, yeah, because I don't remember. What? Oh my gosh, wait, this one is so cool. There's no way that we got this one before because I do remember that there was a collection that featured the silver pillows on a stand. But I swear that that was with a different Andy Warhol series. But this is actually like you get this amazing black and white Andy Warhol with sunglasses and this like art piece. Okay, so this either has to be like a special edition or how is that 2 out of 24? See, this just has to be ones that we never got. Either way, I know I don't have that and that is super cool. And last but not least, oh my gosh, it's Andy Warhol. And what is this one called? Drag 80s #1. There's one too that was called like the gray wig ones, but I think that's more of like that like kind of choppy haircut. You know. Oh my God, I love that though. I love the red lips. Last one of these, and then I think we'll do the other boxes and we'll save the cans for last. What did we get in this box? Oh, it's, oh my gosh. Okay, this is in the boxing jacket. And this one, yeah, boxing 80s. I think that those were like the portraits he did with Basquiat as well, which I swear, was there Basquiat mystery figures? What am I forgetting? What am I missing? So you guys, I definitely do not think that we have ever done these Andy Warhol 2 series because I don't remember getting any of these options. I remember that we've gotten some similar just because, you know, oftentimes they use these same Andy Warhol pieces, like in different, you know, I mean, you think Andy Warhol, you think bananas. So yeah, I think that they've done some similar for the Andy Warhol 1 series, but these, I don't think we have, oh my gosh. See, they did, now I'm wondering which little series that came out of. Because there were these really cool ones because we have one of these on our fireplace, but it's the cow art, but it's actually like a 3D cow and it looks like it's like coming out of a picture frame. but I don't see those as an option on any of these. So what series was that from? I do not know, but oh my gosh, there's nothing like the feeling of unboxing a classic Dunny with the head turning. Oh my gosh. Dogman and I have been collecting KidRobot forever. Forever, ever. I almost threw away the mustache party. You guys, is there like something about like when you can't talk properly? You know, there's like the old wives' tales that's like, if you keep dropping something, it means somebody wants to see you. And what are the other ones? Now I can't think of any other examples. Let's see what we're gonna get in box number 2. We got the money one. Oh my gosh, I forgot to tell you guys the rarenesses. Okay, so this one is 1 out of every 24, so one of the rarer ones. Now we got the green dollar signs. So this one is one of the more common ones. This one is 3 out of every 24. So cool though. I love the mixture of the green and the red colors together. He's like Christmas time. Christmas money Dunny. That's what they could have called him. All right. Last box like this. So many wonderful options. I'm kind of excited to open the cans though. Okay, I almost threw this box, but I should keep it so I can tell you guys which one we get. Ooh! Yay! I love the Campbell's soup pieces as well. So we got the teal and yellow Campbell's soup. Dunny, is that a... Oh my gosh, it says soup. Okay, all I could see was in the viewfinder and it kind of looked like a barcode. So this one is 3 out of every 24. So one of the more common ones as well. I don't see what is the most rare. I guess it's the Silver Elvis with 1 out of every 48. And then there's one that is also 1 out of every 48 that says Beast on it. So there's that one and that one. Those were the most rare. Oh, sorry, Kermit. Look, you should be up here. It's like it's less dangerous for you there. All right, you guys. It is the final moment. Oh my gosh. 1 out of every 96? What is that one in here? There's like just a shadow. But I am so excited to open these cans. See, I think we've had some of these before because I remember the glasses, but let's go ahead and... Did you ever make a telephone when you were a kid? Like 2 cans and a string? Or is that like really, really old? I didn't. I don't know why I'm asking. I never did that. Did you? Let's... Oh, how about can ASMR? Was that exciting? Ooh, see, I feel like I remember these, but they were in a different colorway. Or am I just forgetting everything? We've got a Campbell's Soup plush keychain. Look at how cute is that? We got a can in a can. I don't know why I think that those are like pleasing sounds to other people. Sometimes I think I just like the sound of annoying things. I'm like, ooh, could you click that pin another 5,000 times? Yeah, I don't know why. What? Oh, we got another plush. We got a cat. It's an orangey. Is it a red cat or an orange cat? I'm gonna say red. Ooh, does it tell me on the can? No. It just says that his name is Sam. Hello, Sam. You guys also, this is like kind of a joke to me now because Mustache Party is a very pungent scent. I like actually with that order on Amazon, I bought like a spearmint kind of oil because I was like, okay, you already know that these are not going to smell like anything. Like literally joke is on me. They are so stinky. I can't decide if it's like a good scent or a bad scent. Can. can. Oh, we got the Mao plush. So this is another keychain. Dude, what are the odds? There's a lobster in here. We could have got the lobster. We got a plush Mao. Ah, and he's so squishy. So this one is 2 out of every 24. Sam the cat, 2 out of every 24. And soup can, there was a vinyl option, and then the plush soup can was a little bit more rare, 1 out of every 24. So let me know if you guys think that these were new, or did we open some of these already? I definitely know that there are a couple. Well, we didn't have any of these. None of them. I definitely think some of the Andy Warhol figures are new as well, and I don't know that we ever got a yellow skull. I think we got a blue one, maybe? A blue one? I don't remember. Anyway, you guys, let me know all of y'all's thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. Let me know what other KidRobot items that you guys would like for me to unbox as well. I have really been missing doing their unboxings, and I'm thinking maybe we should do some Hello Kitty ones, because a couple of months ago, they sent me like a sampling of a bunch of different products, which was super fun, and we opened some Hello Kitty ones, and there was like so many awesome options, like aliens and like a clown. I think they were so cool. So I definitely think I should get a case of those Hello Kitty figures for us to open together. I think that they also have like some good Atama items, which is very, very cute as well. But let me know what you guys want to see in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. And if you would like to, you can hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon.